Think your dollar's safe in the bank? Think again. In 2025, inflation is the silent wealth killer, eroding your hard-earned cash while you sleep. But what if I told you there are proven strategies to not only beat inflation, but come out wealthier than ever? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 battle-tested investment moves to shield your money and build real wealth. Ready? Let's go! I wear this hazmat suit to protect myself from toxic savings accounts. Inflation's not a future villain. It's here. Prices on groceries, rent, even your morning latte are climbing faster than ever. Every year, your cash loses about 3 to 4% of its buying power. That's like watching your money shrink in slow motion, and doing nothing is the worst crime of all. But what if you could turn inflation from enemy into ally? Coming up, the first strategy that even Wall Street pros swear by. Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, or TIPS, adjust your principal with inflation. When the consumer price index goes up, so does your account balance. It's like having a built-in hedge against rising prices. Yes, their yields may look modest today, but guaranteed inflation adjustments mean you never lose real purchasing power. Welcome aboard the inflation coaster. No white knuckle drops here. Okay, so inflation-proof bonds are great, but what about growing real wealth? That's where strategy 2 comes in. The S&P 500 has historically outpaced inflation by about 2 to 3% annually. Instead of picking individual stocks, grab a low-cost index fund, instant diversification, minimal fees, and compounding growth. Over decades, that extra percentage point is the difference between cruising in a Honda and cruising in a Lamborghini. Okay, maybe it's a Matchbox Lambo, but you get the point. Index funds are powerful, yet they don't cover everything. Next up, real assets that can't be printed. Gold, real estate, REITs. These tangible assets often shine when paper money devalues. Physical gold may feel old school, but it's been an inflation mythbuster for centuries. Meanwhile, REITs let you tap into real estate's cash flow, rent checks that can climb alongside rising prices. Sunglasses recommended. It's blindingly effective. Don't wait until prices skyrocket. Lock in your slice of real assets now. But there's more. Digital alternatives. Stablecoins like USDC or yield-bearing DeFi protocols offer interest rates far above bank accounts, sometimes 5 to 10% APY. Yes, volatility is a risk, so stick to well-audited platforms and never put in more than you can afford to lose. You'll want to see point 5, because it's about upgrading yourself, the ultimate inflation hedge. Nothing beats the ROI of learning a high-income skill, coding, digital marketing, even public speaking. Combine that with a side hustle, freelance gigs, e-commerce, creator monetization, and you're earning dollars that stay ahead of inflation. Best part? These skills compound like an index fund in your brain, multitasking like a boss. These 5 strategies are powerful. But how do you weave them into one unstoppable wealth engine? Stay with me for the grand fusion. Here's the playbook. Allocate 10 to 20% to TIPS, 40 to 50% to broad index funds, 10 to 15% to real assets, 5 to 10% to vetted DeFi yields, and the rest to skill building and side projects. Rebalance annually, stay informed, and reinvest every dollar you can. Inflation loses when you out-earn it. And with this blueprint, you'll not only keep pace, you'll sprint ahead. Imagine looking back in 10 years, realizing you turned a fearsome foe into your wealth's rocket fuel. That future starts today. Enjoyed these strategies? Don't stop here. Click the video on screen for behavioral money mistakes and how to hack your brain to master the mindset that turbocharges every dollar you earn. Stay savvy, stay wealthy, and I'll see you there.